Hey guys, I am Sagarika Mathur and welcome back to my channel. In this video, you can learn how to make DIY wall hanging using some basic items that are easily available at home. If you're having a boring and empty wall in your house and you have no idea how to fill that space, this video will definitely help you out. This DIY wall hanging not just fills the empty wall but also adds so much to your space, and it looks elegant too. These are the things you will need to make this wall hanging: 4 to 5 newspapers, a piece of cardboard, a gift wrapping paper, a pair of scissors, Fevicol and hot glue gun. First, we have to make newspaper rolls, and for that, fold the newspaper twice just as shown and tear out the sections. And you will get long strips of newspaper. For rolling the strips, I used a straw. You can also use pen or even a toothpick. Place the straw at one edge of the newspaper and start rolling it inwards. Then seal off the last end of the roll using Fevicol. And this is how your roll will look like. Similarly, you have to make approximately 80 to 90 rolls. I painted these rolls with some paint. You can also use metallic paints to enhance its look. Then cut out a circle from the cardboard 12 cm in diameter. Place the wrapping paper underneath the cardboard and mark the outlines of the circle. Then cut out the circle. Now you have to stick the wrapping paper onto the cardboard. Make sure the holographic side of the wrapping paper is facing upwards. In place of wrapping paper, you can also use a mirror. It will completely change the look of the wall hanging. Now, flip the cardboard and start sticking the newspaper rolls, leaving some gap in the center of the circle. The pattern of sticking the rolls really doesn't matter. You can stick them in whichever way you want. Keep on sticking the rolls until you cover the entire cardboard. Now, for covering the back side, you have to cut out one more circle of 12 cm diameter and stick it onto the back using Fevicol. Let it dry for some time. You can trim the rolls in whatever length and design you want. At this stage, I thought the wall hanging is looking a little boring, so I decided to decorate it. For decoration, I used these square mirrors. You can also use Swarovski crystals or whatever is available with you. I applied these on the edge of the rolls. And for the center, I use these diamond shaped mirrors. Now, for hanging this on the wall, I use this metal paper clip and hot glue gun to stick it on the cardboard. After hanging it on the wall, I think it looks beautiful. If you recreate this DIY, do not forget to tag me in your Instagram stories. All the links to my social media account are mentioned in the description box below. That is it for today's video. I hope you like this DIY. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and art related videos, and also hit the bell icon for regular notifications of my new videos, and I will see you next week.